Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. It's so good to have you here. If it's your first time, thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And for my returnees, thank you so much. I appreciate your support very much. Today I will be showing you how I made my tiger nut drink. This drink is very delicious, full of nutrients. Your kids will love it. You will love it, especially if you drink it while it's cold. You have to leave it cold because it gets sour really quickly, so it has to be cold. I will start by picking it. It's very important that you pick your tiger nut because there's so many things made with tiger nut. Pick the rotty ones and pick the stones. It's time consuming, but trust me, it's very important that you do this. Oh, look. It says goat shit. Can you? This is really surprising. Goat shit inside tiger nut. Hey, God. You need to pick it to look a very big stone. Pick a tiger nut. And now I have finished picking it. It took me time, honestly. I will wash my tiger nut first. Wash it properly. Look at the color of the water. It's dusty. There is no way there won't be bacteria in the tiger nut. So that's why we need to care for it very well before we can digest it. I wash my tiger nut 2 times and I will pour in hot water. I will be soaking my tiger nut with hot water. This will eliminate all the bacteria and whatever that might be in the tiger nut. And I'll leave it for 3 days. This is my tiger nut. I left it for 3 days. Day 3, I had to shift the water out because I couldn't blend it on the 3rd day. This is the 4th day. And these are the things that I'll be blending with my tiger nut. The banana is to make the tiger nut thick and give it extra delicious taste. And this is natural sweetener. Dates, a dash of ginger, not too much ginger, and coconut. Transfer to blender and put enough water. First, I will shift out my tiger nut. I pour it straight into my milk bag. It might be too heavy, so I shift out it first. Now I can pour it into my milk bag to remove the tiny bit. this ice is very, very important. Remember when I said tiger nut gets sour so quickly? But if you have ice inside, it preserves it. So enable to put ice in your tiger nut. And it's ready. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. Bye.